Welcome back to another Creative Sojourn. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own notepads, which is really great because then they can look like anything I really love. So I go on Canva, and that is a free program, or you can actually pay for a subscription and just get a little bit more options of things that you can do. But I just went on there, created a design that I really thought would be cute for my little notepad going into coming out of this crazy winter we've had and into the springtime. I thought I'd just make them nice and cheery, and so I just printed out my design. And as you can see here, I'm trimming them. You can trim them leaving a white edge or straight off at the design. It kind of depends on what you like. I kind of like it with a little bit of a white edge. Once I do this, then I'll be using padding compound to attach all of the sheets of the notepad together. Then I'll be using a bookbinding board, a bookmaking board, to use as the stiff, backing that notepads often have. And then I will be attaching that with the padding compound, and that's about it. And it'll be ready to go, and it's awesome. It'll last me a long time. I put quite a few pages into this one. So sit back, relax, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I will attach the padding compound link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.